What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, man. So today we are reacting to Thunderstruck by Steve and Seagulls live for the very first time. So let's get right into it in 3, 2, 1. Pop. Hey, we in the backwoods. You hear me? The backwoods. With the banjo.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Of the drums beating my heart, the thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck.
Hey, I like how everything is so original and organic in this video. That's something you can't take away. Everything is original. I like it. Cause I mean, you don't see that too much nowadays. Everything is tweaked, auto-tune. You know what I'm saying? The regular shit. But we outside in the backyard with it. Deep in the backwoods. Playing the banjo. With the accordion on the side. You know what I'm saying? With the spoons. Come on now. It can't get no better than that. With the spoons, man. You know it's for real when you see some spoons. I ain't seen spoons in a minute, but in a video, come on, man.
Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Played all the fools, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck, thunderstruck, thunderstruck.
I never heard the original song before, so now I have to listen to the OG song.
Thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please?
Hey man, shout out to Steve and the Seagulls, man. I didn't realize that it was a cover, but that was hard. Can't even cap. I just love the originality of it. You know what I'm saying? I really did. And that's heavy metal. Put into, you understand? We talking heavy metal. To the backwoods. You feel me? But if y'all enjoyed that, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Catch me in my next video.